Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. This video is going to be a quick hair tutorial. Well, I don't know how quick because I got a lot of hair. But we are going to be doing wand waves in this video, and this is my first time actually using a tool like this, which is funny because I've known about them, I've seen them, I think I've used them in the past, but I don't think I've ever done a tutorial on them. So anyway, I picked up my tool from the Sally Beauty here in my area, and we're going to be using the Tourmaline Ceramic Curl 3 HD. I've already unboxed it, so here it is right here. What I really like about it, one of the reasons why I purchased this particular tool, is because it's basically 3 different like irons. So you have this one here, which I thought was cool. It's a little different, like it's like flat. Then you have your typical wand right here, and you have the one that's actually on. I think this could be like, I mean, that's for curls, like maybe looks like a 1-inch barrel, I think. But we're gonna go ahead and put this attachment on here. Oh, it gets hot quick. I just turned it on for a second and it's like hot already. Yikes. Push down and lock. To unlock, you twist and pull up. Ooh, there it is. It comes off. I know, I know. Don't judge me. I get excited about little things. So really, there we go. We have 3 different styling tools. Here we go. Let me do a very, very brief product review really quick because like I said, this is my first time unboxing it. So here you go. On the back here, it says you have the 1-inch taper wand, which is this particular wand. This is your 1-inch taper wand. Then you have the 1/2 inch ribbon. Oh, it's a ribbon wand. This is the ribbon wand, the one I told you is kind of flat looking. And then you have the 3/4 inch wand, which is this one here, which is the one that was actually on it, the one I just took off. So we are going to be using the taper wand, the 1-inch taper wand, for this particular tutorial. And if you want to see the other 2, just let me know, comment down below, and I will definitely do a tutorial for you guys to show you what that style will come out like, I guess. So, but we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and attach the taper wand. It has like little prongs in there. Can y'all see that? The little prongs that's in there. We're just gonna plug those in here. This is pretty cool. I like it. And you press it down, and then to lock it, you just twist it back at the opposite direction. Press it down and twist it back the opposite direction. So let's see, I wanna make sure that it's on there good. And now it's on. We have it locked on. It has the little sliding bar here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on high, and we're gonna let this go ahead and warm up. I already have my hair parted down the middle. I'm going to start at the back. Y'all, this hair is so, look at this. My hair is so long. Like, I haven't cut it since, I think before I had my baby. So this is all postpartum pregnancy hair. Like, I haven't had it like cut in forever. And I don't think I am. I actually think I'm gonna get some color done, and I might get it trimmed, but I'm gonna try to keep the length and just see how long it grows. So I have never used one. I probably should use a glove, but we're gonna try this, y'all. And don't worry, I have a mirror here right in front of me. So we're gonna just wrap this hair around, and we're gonna hold it there for a second. It kind of reminds me of when you are putting perm rods on. And I'm just gonna touch the hair just to make sure that the heat's getting to it. And then we're gonna drop that. So, ooh, look at that, y'all. Check that out. Boop, 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 boop. I like it. To let you guys know, I am going to be using the Howdy Flexible Hold Hairspray. This is for all hair types. All right, so let's get on. Let's section this out. And I probably won't spray it till the end because I just wanna kind of see. So here we go. And because my hair is already straight, I'm not gonna, worry too much about trying to spray the hair beforehand. But I'm loving it. This is so quick though. Like, I'm only taking my time because I'm filming, but. And another reason why I don't have any heat protectant spray on, because I've already had it on because when I straighten my hair. So don't freak out, it's okay. But if you want to use heat protectant, please go ahead and do so. But see, I love it because it gives you like the waves, and the waves don't necessarily like have to be perfect. So there's that. Y'all, it's hot in here, and I'm trying to like push through because your girl has been completely slacking when it comes to content, but I'm getting my groove back slowly but surely. Okay, so the first side is done. So I like it a lot, and it's still very soft. I actually didn't even spray it with the hairspray, but I will after I finish up on this side here. So let's just get into this one. Y'all, don't let nobody tell you otherwise, but long hair is a lot of work. It really is, at least to me. I think it is. Oh, I need to probably separate that. I just like that it doesn't take that long, but it gets hot. Almost there. All done. So now that the waves are in, I like it. I'm gonna just kind of fluff it out. It gives just enough, and it gives me like the exact look that I be going for. Y'all, I am sweating. My eyebrows are wet. Woo, child. So you could always, you could separate them out, make it a little fluffier. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this just to kind of hold it. So that's it, you guys. Wand curls from straight to wavy. I like it. All right, guys, so that is it. I really do hope you enjoyed this, I guess, relatively quick and easy wand tutorial. So we basically went from straight hair to wavy hair using the Tourmaline ceramic tool from Tool Science, and I will link all the information below for you guys for everything that was used in today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Like I said, if you want to see the curls with the other two attachments that came in the box, let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment box below, and don't forget to head over to the website at www.tiffanydbrown.com for more product information and links if you are interested. All right, guys, so that is it for me today, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.